Hello folks, welcome to Prescribed Adventures. Today we're going to give you a tour of the Solarium on Utopia of the Seas. So let's cut through. There we go.
Thanks. Very sensitive this morning.
Obviously not sensitive because I smacked it pretty good. Alright, so this is an enclosed adult-only area. Oh, and it feels so much better already, even though it's only about 8 o'clock in the morning. We're in Nassau and it's pretty humid. So this is temperature controlled. Like I said, adult only. And plenty of seating. If you get here early, you can get one of these padded areas. These are much nicer loungers up here on top. You got one whirlpool over here. And we got a seahorse over here. And down here we have more seating, beautiful views out the front of the ship. We got some in-water seating, nice and refreshing. We got a small little pool area here. Got some little seats in there too. And over here you got the bar area, because there's always a bar area. Coming across, got more seating. Now, unlike the other Oasis class ships, right over here, out that little walkway that's not there anymore, they used to have the wings where you could go out and do that top of the world thing that people would do. But now they enclose them, and there is actually the Solarium suites behind this wall right here. Maybe one day we'll get a video of that for you guys. So over here, more padded seating. You have the other whirlpool here that is also accessible with the seat. Like I said, you can grab these padded round seating area. Utopia has plenty of little figures around the ship. That was an octopus. This would be a towel station, I believe. Yes, closed because it's early. And then over on here, you got another whirlpool. Oh, much more humid up here. And it's kind of hanging off the side of the ship there. And some more beautiful artwork. And we're going to cut through and show you real quick the Solarium Bistro area, which is a buffet style area, like the Windjammer but smaller. On here we are, Solarium Bistro. And for breakfast and lunch, this is a buffet style area. Hello, hello. And for dinner, it's Mediterranean style food, but you do need to have a reservation, so make sure you do that. If you want to go to the Solarium Bistro, make sure you do that in your cruise planner before your cruise. So there you have it, folks. That is the whole adult only, except for the bistro part, Solarium area on Utopia the Seas. And we hope you enjoyed the video. If you can, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you enjoyed this or any of the other Utopia videos that we have, you can check them out right here in this playlist. And also let me know if there's any other videos of Utopia or any other ship that you'd like to see. We'll see what we can do for you. Once again, I'm Chris. This is Prescribed Adventures, your perfect dose of exploration. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.